So now moving on to the last question in module 2, question number 33. Yay! Let's finish it off. While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. The magnificent frigatebird, Fregata magnificens, is a species of seabird that feeds mainly on fish, tuna, squid, and other small sea animals. It is unusual among seabirds in that it doesn't dive into the water for prey. One way it acquires food is by using its hook tipped bill to snatch prey from the surface of the water. Another way it acquires food is by taking it from weaker birds by force. This behavior is known as kleptoparasitism. The student wants to emphasize a similarity. What the student has to do? He has to emphasize a similarity between the two ways a magnificent frigate bird acquires food. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? Is it A, a magnificent frigate bird never dives into the water, instead using its hook-tipped bill to snatch prey from the surface? B, neither of the magnificent frigate bird's two ways of acquiring food requires the bird to dive into the water. C, of the magnificent frigate bird's two ways of acquiring food, only one is known as kleptoparasitism. D. In addition to snatching prey from the water with its hook-tipped bill, a magnificent frigate bird takes food from other birds by force. So if you said B, congratulations, that is the correct answer. B is the best answer because the sentence emphasizes a similarity between the two ways a magnificent frigate bird acquires food. And what does it note? That the two ways of acquiring food, it doesn't require, neither of the two ways require the bird to dive into the water. Neither way requires the seabird to dive into the water, and already it is mentioned here actually. It feeds mainly on that and it doesn't dive into the water for prey. Okay. And then A. Why is A incorrect? Because A, it is just describing how a magnificent frigate bird captures prey without diving into water. It doesn't emphasize the similarity between the two ways the seabird acquires food. It just says it never dives, it just uses the hook tip bill. It doesn't talk about the other way also. The other, that is the kleptoparasitism, is not mentioned at all. And then choice C is incorrect. The sentence notes the term used to describe one of the two ways that magnificent frigate birds acquire food. It doesn't emphasize the similarity. It just talks about the other way it acquires food by kleptoparasitism. That is, it snatches the food from other birds by force. Okay. Then D. D is also incorrect. The sentence describes the two ways that a magnificent frigate bird acquires food. It doesn't emphasize the similarity between the two ways. So this is quite easy, and congratulations, we have finished both the sections of module 1 and module 2 of reading and writing. So next video I'll start off with math.